Thutha wa thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza gukorwo heanite kiraniro kia uhandi wa miti bilioni 10 handu-ini ha miaka 10 yukite, riu thirikari ni arahurite ndereti yayo kioneki-ini giki ikionania hotekeku wothe wa undu uyu gukinyanira hindi gikaro kiria kihariirio kubanga muthi wa Mazingira Day uria ukahanika tariki 10 mweri yukite. Maabitha kuma ministry ya maria maturigicĩirie ni mataririe ati thirikari itanyite gukinyaniria uhandi wa miti milioni 100 hari muthenya uyu wika.
If this billion trees, we have done them in the last 2.5 years. If you go back to the previous 10 years, the people from forestry here, they will confirm that we did a total of 38 million trees. Now in 2.5 years, we have done about 1 billion trees that we have planted.
Kurigana na mwandiki mukaru ruhonge-ini rwa mititu Gitonga Mugambi, mwaka uyu miti iri irongoreirio muno ni miti ya matunda. Ministry ya maria maturigicĩirie gitanya kurutithania wira na arutwo gukinyaniria uhandi wa miti ino.
Go back to where you came from. Go back to your primary school. I believe we all passed through some primary school somewhere. Yeah. And in case you did not pass through a primary school, you can adapt to one near to where you are born. Yeah. And mobilize that primary school to plant at least 2,000 trees.
The rallying call is clear to Rudy Primo to donate fruit trees, not to clean up.
The emphasis here is on fruit trees, and it's important because we are looking at the overall productivity and nurturing of our nutrition for our school kids.
Itua ria kuhanda miti ya matunda mwaka uyu rikagiritanio na ngirimiti cia wendia wa matunda ta makorobia nja ya bururi. Thirikari ikiuga ni wega kuhanda miti ngirehera Kenya umithio.
We are talking about fruit trees because on one side, as a government, we are saying we need to have good nutrition for our people, and also we you know very well that our president has been going out world getting market. Like the other day was in China, and we were able to get market for avocado fruits. But the question is this: we Kenyans, do we have these avocados?
Kuona Kenya amwe makoretwo magikirira nganja gukinyanirio kwa uhandi wa miti bilioni 15 hari miaka eno 10. Mugambi agatariria ati hakuhe miti bilioni 1 nirikitie kuhandwo na no nginya muigana wa miti ino yothe ukinyanire kuhandwo.
We can only be compared with China, who have done almost what we have done. Other countries are foreigners. But also we are saying we have a long way to go.
We have mapped all the CSS and the PSS, all the primary schools where they are going to participate. We have mapped the nearest KFS tree nursery, which is going to avail the seedlings that are required.
Hadi ni Kameme TV, Letoroko ni Bataru wa Mwagi.